What is up, y'all? It's Tay Nelson, and I'm the guy that's gonna help you double, triple, quadruple your income on OnlyFans. So in this video, I'm gonna explain to you guys how we made over $1,000 in just 12 hours on our first day on OnlyFans. I'm gonna just let you guys know right now, we are getting to the bag on OnlyFans. And before you say, I'm not a hot girl, what am I doing on OnlyFans? Again, like I said in the previous video, I am not on OnlyFans. I started an OnlyFans modeling and management agency where we help restructure, rebuild, and re-optimize OnlyFans pages so that they bring in 10 times more money than when they started. So I just recently launched a new page with one of my newest models, and we are getting to the bag. And we're already at $2,000. And I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, in our first day, in the first 12 hours, we made $1,000 and over $700 in tips. So here's a screenshot right here just to show you guys I ain't BSing. Let's get right into the sauce. So there's a few reasons why we were able to generate so much money so quickly. And number one is our bios, our cover photos, our profile photos are on point. Now I can't take all the credit. I did write all the bios. I did set up the photo shoot for the cover photo and the profile photo, but the girl, the female, she's just visually stunning. That's always a plus. But the real strategy I want to get in and tell you guys is I've seen a lot of OnlyFans profiles out there. And one thing I have to say about it is you guys need to take advantage of your bios. You need to take advantage of the cover photo and the profile photo. I can't tell you how many times I've seen OnlyFans page and the cover photo is like low quality, pixelated. The profile photo is blurry, can't even tell what's going on. It's not attractive or enticing whatsoever. And then I see bios that just say gamer girl ready for fun. Come on, guys. You got to use your bios to tell your fans or your potential customers what the fuck they're gonna get when they subscribe and pay $15, $20, $30 a month. Because why would they subscribe if they don't even know what they're gonna get? Imagine if I handed you a mystery box and I was like, give me $15 and you don't know what the fuck's inside, right? You're not gonna make any money. You need to tell people what's inside. So number two is we have an effective upsell strategy once someone purchases and gets into our OnlyFans page. Now, I can tell you guys all about my upsell strategy, or I could give you a way for you to clone and copy exactly what we did to make over $1,000 in our very first day, literally in just 12 hours on the very first day. Right now, you could click the link in my description. You could get access to our bios, our cover photo examples, our welcome message template, and a bunch of other cool stuff that will instantly transform your OnlyFans page so that it looks way more professional, looks way more enticing, and people are actually going to want to subscribe to your OnlyFans page. So I'm gonna make this quick. If you wanna get instant access, all you gotta do is scroll down, click the link in my description. You'll get access to our cover photo, our bio template, our welcome message template. And these are things that are gonna help you convert your potential customers way better than what you're doing right now. So again, if your bio, your cover photo, or your profile photo looks like this, you're wrong. Stop what you're doing, click the link in my description, get your hands on our editable templates so that you can start converting more fans without getting more traffic. Another reason I want to talk about why you guys are struggling to have success on OnlyFans is you're not consistent, you're not posting every day. Also, you're not taking advantage of your welcome message. For us, we have over a 50% conversion rate on our welcome message. This is how we generated over $700 in the very first day in tips alone. You know, without this strategy, we would have only made, $500 in our first day, which is still impressive, but we were able to double that just by having an effective welcome message that entices subscribers and fans to give us more money than they already did. So if you want to get your hands on all of this stuff, click the link in the description. You can get instant access today. Get your hands on our highly engaging, high converting templates today. My name is Tay Nelson. Click the link in the description. Signing out.